where it goes from. Get on a kind of holiday if you feel this with me.
All right, if you're coming to the full moon party in Koh Phangan, Thailand, and you want to do it VIP style, I'm gonna show you how to do it. We're talking private speedboat to the island, party boat on the way to the full moon party, private VIP section at the party, and the best, most epic new villa in Koh Phangan. You gotta stay there. This one's for Barack, Josh, and Bobby in the Discord group. You guys are coming here soon. So this is for you. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it in this video. Koh Samui is where you fly to. Once you're in Koh Samui, you're gonna get in your private speedboat. It's gonna be about 30 minutes direct to Koh Phangan Island to the nearest pier near your villa. So you're gonna be skipping all the big lines. You're gonna be walking past people and be like, why are these people cutting the line? No, you're going to your private speedboat. Gotta get the private speedboat. When you get to the pier nearest your villa, you have another private van waiting, and they're gonna take you about 10-15 minutes to the most epic, one of the most epic villas I've ever seen in my life, and that is Anaya Villa. So Anaya Villa, it's a 5-bedroom place. You're talking about $1,300 US-ish a night. So make sure you book a few nights for sure. A couple things you're gonna wanna do when you're there. Ask them for the house chef to prepare you dinner. The food is absolutely amazing. Also make sure you order private massages to the room. And so before the full moon party, make sure you get that massage, get real loose, get ready to dance because you're gonna be dancing all night. Also make sure you get in your workout. Anaya Villa has the dopest outdoor gym I've ever seen with like handmade like stone barbells, kettlebells, dumbbells. One of my favorite fucking things. So make sure you get that in, get your workout in before you party, all right? It's got a steam room. It's got 2 pools. It's got a yoga shala, and it's got a sunset view. So enjoy that villa. If you're coming and you want to stay at the best possible villa, stay at Anaya Villa. All right, day of the full moon party. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna rent the best party boat in Samui Phangan. It's called the Naughty Beat. So the Naughty Beat is run by our boy John. It holds about 60 people. It's all decked out with sound, lasers, everything. It's got a DJ deck on the boat, so bring a DJ friend. And you're looking at about $3 to $4K US for the whole day, depending if you get the all-inclusive dinner or drinks package. The Naughty Beat is gonna pick you up at the nearest pier near Anaya. It's about 15 minutes away. I would recommend hitting the water at about 5 so you can enjoy that sunset around 6:30. So once you're on the Naughty Beat, you're gonna enjoy that sunset. Music's gonna be blasting. You're gonna be getting loose, and that is gonna take you all the way from there down to the very southern tip of the island. That's where Hadrian Beach is. That's where the full moon party goes. The full moon party pretty much kicks off at sunset, and it goes until late 2 a.m. or later nowadays. All right, so once you're at the full moon party, I mean, pretty much just a couple options. You can rent like a little table section, get bottles, you know, VIP style, or you can just roam around. We've done both. It really is whatever you want. Really what typically we do is just like roam around and find the stages that have the best music. If you're really, really balling, millionaires and billionaires only, you can pay $3 for this little wristband and go to the upper floor of that one main huge club where you can go from an ocean of sweaty people to a private group of sweaty people. Couple tips for the full moon party. The service is bad, so like you can't call your friends. So like what I did is I put an air tag on BAM so I can like find them with my iPhone, or just like set a meetup spot because you will lose your friends. Also another tip, be careful of your belongings. People have gotten their phone stolen, like BAM's like, yep, he got his wallet stolen. So yeah, be careful of your belongings, yo. So anyway, party the night away, enjoy the full moon party. Little tip that me and Bam and James enjoyed is buy the big burning sign. There's this Psytrance club / rave that we were really enjoying if you really want to rave hard, if you're into that Psytrance music. It was Bam's first experience. What did you think of it?
It was something else. I wasn't even ready.
He's like, what's this type of music? I'm like, yeah, bro, like, anyway, find the music that suits you. Party the night away. The Naughty Beat is gonna be waiting there the whole night. And so whenever you're ready to go back after party, they're just gonna cruise you back. You're gonna get off, private van's gonna be waiting. That's what we did. We tested it out for you, not once, not twice, but 3 times. So that's what I wanna share with you guys. That's how you do full moon party, VIP style. Hit up the Naughty Beat, hit up Anaya Villa. Shout out to Michael, the host and owner of Anaya Villa. Thanks for having us, thanks for hospitality. As always, the only reason this is fucking possible is because I run an online business. If you wanna know how I do it, work online, work remote. I have a new work online, work remote free PDF guide. Find that in the description. The next level pretty much would be private jet flying directly there, and or just have your yacht fucking take you from Mallorca all the way to the full moon party. We're not quite there yet. Maybe in a couple years we'll do private jet and then yacht all the way in. But if you want to do it VIP style, get 20 of your friends and live it up. That's how you do it, baby. Woo! I'm just gonna be swimming, but I shouldn't because I got this mic on. But Bam will buy a new one. Oh shit, it's getting deeper. Okay. All right. Fuck. We out. Anything else?